Who's in the box? Oh, what's in the box?
Hey guys, welcome back to Jack on Tracks and another episode of What's in the Box. I know it's not in a shipping box, but it is what it is. So I got this off of Facebook Marketplace. I got a really good deal on this thing. I believe I paid $30 shipped, and from the looks of it, it is in excellent shape. I know, dying to see what it is. $30 for a blue box. I know, right? It's crazy. It's a beautiful blue box. Beautiful. Blue. It's a box. Standard. There it is. A Penske SW15. Ready to run cow. So, let's pop this open. Now, this unit is used, but it came with all the fixings. Came with the wire ties, the bread ties in there and everything. So, I just took it apart. So I got a little overexcited. I'm sorry. I got a little excited. I'm a big Penske guy. Look at this bad boy. Besides some of the normal rust buildup on the rails, got metal side frames. Really, in all honesty, this thing doesn't look like it. Look at those. This thing might never have been run. Besides the fact that I just tested it when it got here. I mean, it's got the hook horn couplers on it and everything. All the glass except for that one pane down there, which is not in the box, so I don't know. But we'll fix that. We'll figure that out. It's got directional lighting ish. But I popped it apart, looked at it. I don't know if that keystone is prototypical in the color, but it could be. I don't really care. This thing's in nice enough shape that it's going to stay the way it is. I'm going to pull these rails off, all these handrails off, and this front one's got to get a little straightened up. The back one, same thing, but I got to pull these handrails off, and I'm going to clean them up, paint them up, and then put them back on. But the best part about this is the reason why I was so happy to find this was because in a previous haul that I got from a guy just basically getting rid of a lot of his stuff, I got a calf. I mean, I know it's in gonrail. I don't have any of the railings, but all that is fixable. So it is a Dunkopf engine. So it's going to need to be cleaned up a little bit. I don't know if I can find the parts to power it, I'll power it, but I'm not really concerned. What I was actually considering doing is obviously this is going to be painted to match that. So, be it that this is a big, empty, hollow shell, I was thinking of consisting the two of these together and running the MU hoses, / connection between the two, and throwing in the decoder and speakers in here, or possibly just the decoder. The decoder will be in here, run the wires back here, and have the speakers in here. And they'll be close enough together that you really won't be able to determine which one's making noise and which one's not. But having this big open chamber in here should bass this up pretty nice and put a nice bass sound to it. And if I get crazy, I'll just run a second set of wires in here, and I'll drop an LED in here. So when switching directions, that lights up. Going forward, that lights up, and we'll delete the light back there since these two are married, if that's appropriate. So, once again, Thanks for watching Jack on Tracks. Like and subscribe. Stay tuned because we're getting close. We're going to be doing a giveaway. Hopefully it's done before you see this video, but if not, there's a giveaway coming. And even if I hit 50, there's another giveaway coming at 100. So there's always going to be a giveaway. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. As always, catch you later.